Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of health tech with what I confidently believe is the best glucose monitoring system on the market, the DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply monitoring your blood sugar levels for overall health, this compact and smart device has you covered. Now, what sets the DARIO apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's incredibly portable. This little device is small and light enough to slip into your pocket. So you can manage your diabetes on the go, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. But the real magic happens when you pair the DARIO with its free companion app. With the DARIO Health app, available for iOS users, you can easily track and monitor your blood sugar levels right on your smartphone. It's like having your own personal diabetes assistant in your pocket. And talk about convenience. The DARIO delivers quick and easy results in just 6 seconds, with no coding required. Plus, it only requires a tiny 0.3 micro sample of blood, making testing a breeze. Now, let's talk about what's included in the kit. You'll get everything you need to start monitoring your blood sugar right away: 25 test strips, 10 sterile lancets, and of course, the FDA-cleared DARIO meter and lancing device. And the best part? No batteries needed. Now, before you rush to get your hands on this amazing device, it's important to note its compatibility. The DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit is compatible with a wide range of iOS devices, including iPhone SE all the way up to iPhone 14 Pro Max, running iOS 13 to 17. So, if you're an iPhone user, rest assured, this kit has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the DARIO's ease of use, portability, and accurate readings. And with over 12,000 ratings averaging at 4.2 stars, it's clear that this device is making a positive impact on people's lives. So, if you're ready to take control of your diabetes management or simply want to keep an eye on your blood sugar levels, it's reliable, convenient, and backed by thousands of satisfied customers. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.